All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. Guys, I've started this hair already. Look at it. This is high fade, Afro rank cut. This is Afro punk, Afro rank cut. But they normally call it high fade, so it's still high fade. But this is Afro rank cut. You understand? So I've started it already. I've created the first guideline. I remembered that I need to make a tutorial on this. See, if today is your first time and see my page, my channel, everything, please make sure you like, comment and share and follow for more. You will not regret being part of this family. So if you have created the first guideline, look at it now. This first guideline is not on skin level. For those of you asking me, what if the person don't want it to be on skin level? You put it on normal low cut blade, bring the gel down, you create the first guideline. It will not be skin, it will be under what? Normal low cut blade. After you have created it finish, since it's not under skin, had it been that I created the first guideline to be skin, I would have created the second guideline by using the open blade, right? But since it's under low cut level, I'm going to use step one to create the second guideline, use it to blend it. Do you understand? Please share this video. Don't forget to like, comment, follow me for more. So the second guideline is going to be under what? Step one. I'm not going to make use of step one and that because this side hair is not bushy. So step one will go well with it. So you insert your step one, you bring the gel down under what? Low cut level. You create the second guideline. See the way I'm flipping it. Flip it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? After you have created it like this, then you put it what? Under skin level. Bring the gel up. You still create it again so that it will smooth very well. Watch what I'm doing. Please like, comment and share. Ask questions. Share this video. Don't be stingy. It will not take you anything to share. If I'm stingy, I won't be making this video for you people. Can you see it? Do you know one thing about guidelines? No matter how you create guideline, there must still be what? Visible lines. Now look at it here now. This is normal low cut level. Here is normal step one, right? Can you see that here now is not smooth? So we are going to remove the blade. We are going to remove the step one. Once you remove it, you put it under low cut level, bring the gel down, you on it, you flick it like this to blend it to make sure that it's smooth. And make sure you are brushing the hair down. Can you see it? Watch what I'm doing. It's very, very simple. Remember, I told you that barbering is very, very sweet and simple when you have passion for it. But it's very, very hard when you don't have passion for it. Maybe you are learning because of your friend is doing barbering. Do you understand? Can you see how smooth it is now? Can you see it? Take your time to make sure you get it. I've received a lot of messages that how do you do it when the person doesn't want it to be on skin level. This is it now. Watch it closely. So after you have gotten the smooth level you want, you put it under what? Step one again. Can you see it? Bring the gel down. Let it be under low cut level. You know how I do my own stuff, theory and practical. The way I'm telling you, the way I'm practicalizing, you are seeing it. Then you turn your hand like this. You blend it like this. Can you see that? Look at it very well. See where this shape starts. Don't blend it. Don't start like this so that it will not be going inside. Take it, start from the tip side. You blend it down like this. Blend it down like this so that the afro punk will not be tiny. It will still be big as it is. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see the shape is coming out? See the way I'm doing as if you are brushing hair. Follow it accordingly. Don't rush hair whenever you are cutting anybody's hair. Don't rush it. This work is beyond you rushing it. Take your time. Follow it accordingly. For those of you that have been commenting that I'm taking so long, please, this is tutorial. I'm making tutorial. If you know you are too good, please, once you see my video, just pass it. Pass it. Don't watch. I'm making tutorial for other people to understand. If I'm not making tutorial, I know how many minutes or seconds it will take me to cut the hair. So stop commenting what you don't know. I'm making tutorial. If you think it's easy, make tutorial and post for people. So after you have gotten the blending shape, you turn your hand upward again, leave it under low cut level by bringing the gel down. You flick it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? HUC got you. I told you that I don't want to go with what I know. Whatever I know, I will unleash it. I will tell you how it is. I will never hide anything. If other barbers are hiding something, our universal cut will never hide anything for you. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that the shape is coming out? And to mind you, remember that hair differs. Some persons, their scalp is very strong. That is why when you are blending the hair, it will look as if the head is not blending very well. It's blending very well because you are following the settings. It's just that the hair, some people's scalp will make the hair to be entangled. Do you understand? So make sure that you are original, you are real. Don't mind what people are saying, commenting. If you are following them, you will give up on what you are doing. But since you know where you are going to, you know your dream, your mission, don't mind any comments. After that, you turn your hand like this again. I'm only showing you this thing to know that this thing is very simple. This is the basis and it's very simple. So after you have done it finish, you carry your gel up, put it under skin, you blend it again like this to smoothen it very well. Can you see what I'm doing? After you have done it like this finish, you remove your step one. A lot of people don't know what hair scalp is. I'll make tutorial on that very soon. See, I'm raking it. I want to detail it now. So you rake it down like this. After raking it, you're about to detail the hair. After raking it, you turn your hand like this as you want to barb hair. This is detailing. You blend it, you blend it so that everything will suit well. Can you see what I'm doing? You blend it. It's very simple. You know, this is theory and practical. It's not that I've done it, finish, edit it, and filter whatever. No. As you are seeing, this is raw. Anywhere there is mistake, you see it. Can you see what I'm doing? This is detailing. You turn your hand, you can brush it like this, and make sure you are brushing it. Can you see that barbering is very simple? You have to take your time to detail it very well. Look for anywhere that the hair did not blend well. You dress it very well. This is what we call detailing. So it's very simple. I don't want this video to be too long. So hope you understand something. If you know that you learned something from this video, please comment, like, share this video. Let other people to learn from it. And don't forget to support us by subscribing to our Facebook subscription, our YouTube membership pack. Please support us. It will not remove anything. To make video and post is not easy. Sometimes to post a video before it will load finish because of data, and data is cost. Support us please by subscribing to our Facebook subscription. It's just money that you can use and buy pure water or drink to support those of you that have been commenting, have been learning, have been benefiting from your video. God bless you. Please, God will use you to bless somebody. Appreciate. Click that subscription button and support us. Very soon I'll be making video for only those that have subscribed to my YouTube subscription, because I understand that we just want only one person to be doing everything. You cannot appreciate. You ginger the person to do more. Can you see this is the detailing aspect? If you are not following me on my social media, you are missing a lot. My Facebook, my YouTube, my TikTok, follow me. You will not regret being part of the family. This is detailing. After this now, you turn your hand like this, you trim out the hair. You know you have already combed it out. You can still comb it out like this. After combing it out like this, then you trim out the hair. So I'll stop it here. I just want to show you how the base is. Whatever you see that I'm doing here is the same thing that I'll do to the other side. So once you get this basis very well, we are good to go. Barbering is very sweet. You know, when you have passion for something, you'll be doing the thing without too much difficulty. Do you understand? But if you don't have passion for it, you'll be struggling yourself to do it. Do you understand? So I love you all. This is HUC. Make sure you share. Let other people to benefit. This is the only thing you can do. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be doing all these things. I won't be posting all these things, taking my time. No, do you understand? Let's be let's love one another. So this is it. Very simple and short. Can you see that this one is real what? Low cut, not skin. The first guideline is not skin. Is the first guideline is under low cut level. Second guideline, can you see how it is? For those of you that have been asking me, what if the person doesn't want it to be skin? The first guideline, this is how to do it. I love you guys. So I'll stop it here. Then I can finish it and dress him up. I just want you to understand the basis. To know that barbering is very, very simple and sweet. When you have passion for it, or if you don't have passion for it, it's very, very difficult. Don't learn this word because of your friend is doing barbering, or you are seeing barbers online going viral. Please learn what you have passion for. I love you guys. HUC got you always. One love. Whatever you don't understand here, please ask me drop it in the comment section. I'll come attend to it. I love you. Make sure you share. One love.